In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send transferable Pi to wallet. So in order to do that, what we can do is we first need to head over right here into our actual Pi browser. Make sure that you have it installed into your device. Once you have it installed, I have in here this help article that can help us to transfer our Pi to our Pi wallet. To do that, make sure to complete the KYC verification, and after that, open the Pi app and go to wallet section. Tap on the Transfer to Wallet and then select Start KYC. Just follow the on-screen instructions and upload the required documents, which are ID and proof of address. Wait for KYC approval, which actually takes around few hours to few days. The next step is to transferring your Pi to your wallet. Once your KYC is approved, you can return to your wallet section. Tap the Transfer to Wallet option, select the amount, and confirm the transfer. Automatic transfer in 14 days, or you can also do transfer manually onto your actual Pi wallet within 14 days after KYC approval. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.